Good morning, children. Today we will going to start a new topic, soluble and insoluble material, from the chapter experiment with water. Children, in this class we will solve all the textbook question and answer. So let us start the chapter. What dissolved, what did not? On Sunday, Aisha's cousin brother Hamid came to her house to play. As soon as he came, he asked his aunt to make his favorite shakkar para. Shakkar para means a sweet dish. Ammi said, "Let me come back from the market, then I will make some for you." "Why don't you help me?" "Take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it. Mix it till it dissolves." Hamid thought, "Let me finish this work fast, then I will watch TV." Suggest some ways to Hamid for quickly dissolving sugar. Now children, what are the some ways that Hamid can quickly dissolve the sugar? First one, he can put hot water or warm water. Second, he can make the sugar crystal into powdered form. And third, by continuously stirring it. Okay, do this experiment. This experiment we have already done in our last class. So let us observe what happens and note in the table. Things. Salt. Did it dissolve or not? Yes, it dissolved. What happened after keeping for 2 minutes? Salt and water mix well together. Soil. No, it does not dissolve in water. Soil does not mix with water. It settles down at the bottom. Chalk powder. No. And what happened after 2 minutes? Chalk powder settles down at the bottom. Now 1 spoon of milk. Yes, it dissolves in water. Milk and water mix well together. Oil. No. Oil just does not mix well with water and it floats on the top of the water. Now tell, could you see the salt after it dissolves in water? If no, why? No, because salt is soluble in water. Number 2, does that mean that now the water does not have salt? If it has, then where is the salt? No, it does not mean that the water does not have salt. And where is the salt? Because salt has dissolved properly in water. It is there in water, but because salt is soluble in water, that's why we cannot see it. What difference did you see in water with salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? Water with salt looks transparent and water with chalk powder does not dissolve. It settles down at the bottom, and the water with chalk powder will look whitish. Okay, water with chalk powder will look whitish. Okay, now which of the two would you able to separate from the water by staining with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? We can separate chalk powder by staining with water, but salt dissolved properly, so we cannot stain it. Now come to the next page. While doing this experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument. Aisha felt that after stirring it, the oil dissolved in water. Hamid did not agree. He said, "Look, the tiny yellow oil drops can still be seen in the water." Aisha said, "Let's wait for some time and then see." "Do you think that the oil got dissolved in the water?" "Why do you think so?" "No, oil does not dissolve in water. Okay, it just floats on water." Racing drops. Now in this topic we will learn about what are the liquid which are thick and which liquids are light. Aisha put 2 drops of oil on the lid of her tiffin box. Next to that, she put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. She tilted the lid. She saw some drops slide down quickly, while some were left behind. You also try to do the same and then tell which drop went ahead. Why did it slide faster? So the answer is drops of water slide faster than oil drops or sugar solution, since oil and sugar solution are thicker than that of the water. Where did the water go? One day, Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with something and forgot about it. When she remembered and came to check, she found very little water left in the pan. Think, where did the water go? Water got evaporated, hence remained less in the pan. Evaporation means what? When the water converted into water vapor, and that method is known as evaporation. Okay. Why do Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu keep their mango jelly in the sun? They keep their mango jelly in the sun so that water in it gets evaporated. Okay. At your house, what things are made by drying in the sun? At home, we prepare papad, mango jelly by drying in the sun. You can add some more things also. Now, Dandi March. As the name, we came to know that it is related with our great father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This incident took place in 1930 before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said. How can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on yatra, long walk, from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat. So this line is very important, that the Dandi Yatra started from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how salt is made? The sea water is collected. This one is also very important. The seawater is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun, and after the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. And in direct, we can say that by the process of evaporation. Okay. Now, what we have learned, you have washed your handkerchiefs and you want to dry it quickly. What all can you do? So, what you will do to make dry handkerchiefs as quickly? So, the points are, you will squeeze it. Second, you will spread it out, and by third, you can ironing it. What things do you put in water to make tea? Which of those things dissolve in water? We put sugar, tea powder, and milk in water. Okay. Milk and sugar dissolve in water, and tea powder settled in bottom. You have been given some mystery pieces, lumps of sugar or lumps of sugar. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. So what are the ways you can dissolve it? First one, by adding hot or warm water in a crushed mystery pieces, and number 2, by stirring it continuously. Okay, this much is for today. You will learn the chapter properly and go through all the question answers properly.